abandoned me so he could defend his country from people like you. I hated him for that. But now, here I am. With you.
So we are the same, David. Shaped by those we have lost.
I throw this to the wind. Oh, what if I was right? Well, did you trust your noble dreams and gentle expectations to the mercy of the night? The night will always win. The night has darkness on its side. I've thrown this to the wind. I miss your stupid face. I miss your bad advice. I try to clothe your bones with scratchy Super 8s, exaggerated stories and old tunes, but never by the moon, and not the state I'm in.
Don't leave me.
The night
I have 1,000 drones at standby alert, ready to launch in my command. If Russia or SDC gets any bright ideas, make no mistake, Secretary Petraeus. Your armed forces are ready.
The last order to DEFCON 3 was given by Secretary Rumsfeld almost 25 years ago.
I know. I flew a patrol myself that day.
Sir. Secretary.
President Bosworth sends her regards.
For those souls who have toiled and wrought and thought with me, some work of noble note may yet be done.
Get this cocksucker off my flight deck.
Gladly, sir.
We got him.
do not talk. We can take our time. I will speak only to David Mason. Bring him to me. I will tell him everything. David.
Identify. Mason, David. Retina scan confirmed.
Do what you can. I'll be on the bridge.
I'm not a kid this time. But you can go ahead and try what you did back then.
Opulence is sinful and we all pay for it.
Such a self-indulgent piece of shit. Stop talking in riddles!
It was taken from me. Do you know what that feels like yet? An American torched the warehouse. For insurance money, $11,000. That was the value they placed on our life.
Wait, what is that? Are those birds?
They beat Endo, Manicolas, unto a savage race.
We're under attack! We're under attack!
There are hundreds of them. We just lost camera feed to the interrogation room. Secure Menendez. Meet me on the bridge.
If he so much as moves an inch, you put a bullet in his brain. You got me? The Obama's under attack! Ensure no one leaves this room!
You know I will not kill you, David. But if you do not drop your gun, I will kill your friend. You've got 5 seconds to decide.
How did you even...
Put them on. Turn around.
Menendez has escaped.
What?
The EMCs have launched a jetwing assault on our fleet. They've boarded the Obama. They use stealth tech. Estimates suggest that we can only get about 10%.
We need heavy firepower from the armory. They killed the security detail guarding Menendez. Take what you want. Menendez couldn't have done this alone. He must have men inside.
Right now we have to focus on regaining control of the Obama!
Ready, go!
Come on!
Section, our automated fixes have been compromised. We have to restore order or we'll lose.
Where are you, Admiral?
All decks in the server room. The team's trying to figure out what the hell happened.